Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today video I'm going to be showing you how to make this grilled fish, potato and olive. This is very simple recipe but so delicious, guys, and full of flavor, spices, so if you want to see how I make this, keep watching. So these are the ingredients. You can use any fresh fish of your choice, guys. Okay, some potatoes, onion, parsley, black olive, pepper, salt, extra virgin of olive oil, fish seasoning, and I'm also going to be adding some paprika. So yeah, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to blend my marinated sauce. You can also use garlic, okay? So I'm just chopping in the onion into my little blender. Add the parsley, some of the olive there, about 4 to 5 olive. Then I'm going to add half of this scotch bonnet pepper, but if you don't like spices, please just add a little bit, okay? Because this is really hot. Then I'm going to blend them with extra virgin of olive oil. You can use vegetable oil if that is what you have. So all you need to do is to blend this to smooth, like to paste, okay? After blending everything, as you can see there, just set that aside, okay? Because you need to clean the fish as well. So I'm adding the paprika and the fish seasoning at this time. Also a little bit of salt, just a little bit of salt. Mix everything together. Make sure that they are well combined, okay? So when you are done mixing it, go ahead and give a mark to the fish. But before then, make sure you clean your fish and allow it to dry. So I'm just going to cut the fish open, just like what you're seeing here now. Is to help the marinade, like the marinades to go inside the fish, okay? And for the fish to grill well. So after then, I'm going to start adding my marinated sauce on top of the fish. And I'm also making sure that it enters through those cuts that I give to the fish. Then after adding to the back of the fish, I'm going to open the fish, like the inside fish. I'm going to add more of the marinade inside there. And if you don't want to use olive, you can skip the step of blending the olive, okay? You can just skip it. Then I'm going to add the marinade inside the fish. On the fish head, what I'm doing here is to make sure that every part of the fish has the marinade on it, okay? Because you will want to pack the fish with enough flavor. So when I'm done doing that, I'm going to cover this with my aluminium foil. You can use cling film to do this. Then I'm going to allow them to stay in the fridge for minimum 30 minutes. I actually allow mine to stay for more than 30 minutes, but you should marinate yours for minimum 30 minutes. So here, I've already sliced my potatoes off camera, so just go ahead and slice the potatoes, okay? Now I added rosemary there, some salt, and I'm going to add extra virgin of olive oil. Mix everything together, and by now make sure you preheated your oven, okay? Because you don't want to put the fish on a cold oven. So preheat your oven while you are working with the potatoes. So there I put an oven pepper on my oven tray, as you can see. Now it's time to add the fish on the oven tray. I'm adding the extra marinade that remained on the casserole on the top of the fish. Then I'm going to go ahead and to section my potatoes all around the fish. And if you're slicing your potatoes, make sure you slice them tiny, okay, for them to like bake fast as the fish is cooking as well. So here we go. I'm going to add this to the oven and allow both sides to cook. At least each side, I cook each side for 10 minutes, then I turn it over. You should do that with the potatoes as well. Make sure you turn both over, okay. And I use grilled to do this, but you can use normal cooking oven up and down to do it. It's good as well. So here I'm turning the fish over, like for the other side to be cooked as well. And my potatoes are almost cooked. As you can see, that crunchy color that is coming out of the potato. And the olive that remained, I added it to the fish. Guys, if you've never tried olive with a grilled fish, like grilled fish with olive, you should try it. So this is the last result, guys. The fish is out of the oven. Like the flavor on this fish is wow, it's amazing. So like I said, if you haven't tried using olive before on your fish, you should give it a try. Believe me, you will love it. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I'm going to be leaving everything at this description, all the things I use for this fish at description. So check it out, guys, okay? Thank you all for watching, and make sure you subscribe, share this video, and I will see you all in my next video. God bless you. Bye.